Is TKL keyboard better for gaming? 7 superb benefits of it. Work Rift. Don't forget to subscribe to win $25 merch. TKL keyboards are the best option for gaming. TKL keyboards are designed to be comfortable and are made with a small keyboard and a separate mousepad. TKL keyboards can be customized to fit the user's style. Here are the list benefits of using TKL keyboards for gaming. Easy to use. One of the biggest advantages of TKL keyboards is that they are easy to operate and use. Designed for mobile devices. The design allows you to use the keyboard while playing games just like when you are using a computer. Great for gaming. These keyboards provide greater support for gamers by being ergonomic and designed specifically for gaming purposes. Accessibility. TKL keyboards aim to make accessibility easier by providing a variety of options for users who may have trouble reaching certain key areas. Faster typing. More precision. Having additional keys available helps players get into a groove faster and improve their reaction time. Ease of travel and storage. Another advantage of TKL keyboards over conventional ones is that they are much more portable.